we have to see how salty this whipped cream is. Half a teaspoon of salt. Whoa! Oh. Salted cream. Put a quarter if you're watching your sodium. Yowza! I can't imagine how salty this is. Chicken broth. Tomato soup. I'm supposed to drink right from the mug, but I really want to move it around. See if we can get a little red. No, I can't. There's no red showing through. Oh, let's do it. Drink right from the mug. It's supposed to be very hot. This is a really big mug. Oh, it's too hot. Oh, it's not that hot. Wow, it's really interesting. I probably put too much cream. Their mugs are probably smaller. I wanted to do a big mug. This is one of my friend's mugs. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's interesting. Holy cow! Really? Let's take another sip. It's underneath the cream, so there is hot under there. Okay. Wow! There is that curry flavor, and the coriander's coming through. Boy, it's too salty for me, though. I really wanted to make the recipe like it was written. I have to taste this, because we may have to go low sodium next time. It's really pretty. Let's try it. Oh, that's delicious. It tastes different by the spoon than right out of the mug. That's interesting. Oh, this is one of those things where I don't think you'd know it's Campbell's because of the spice we put in. Oh, that's delicious. I just want to see if I can clear a little cream. Oh, the cream is too salty. Oh, but I think, if it wasn't, just like half the salt, maybe even an eighth of a teaspoon. You don't need that much sodium with the soup and the broth unless you're using low sodium broth. Oh, the flavor. I really like the spices in that. This has to be for winter. No regrets, though. I like the spices in this Campbell's. Oh, very tasty. I'm just going to have to whip up some more whipped cream without all the sodium. Hey, thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Oh, thanks for watching. Oh.